20th Century Fox Bloopers 71. Alright, cue the logo. Why does it say 13th Court Met Rage? Because it's so neat. No, it's not supposed to say 13th Court Met Rage. It's supposed to say 20th Century Fox. Fine. Next take. Action. Cut. Why does it say Himker Official Productions? Because I love Himker Official Productions. Ha 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 ha. No, it's not supposed to say Himker Official Productions. It's supposed to say 20th Century Fox. Fine, whatever. Next take. Cut. Why does it say 21st Century Fox? Because it deserves to be 21st Century Fox, and that's how it should have been in 2010. No. Just please move on. Cut. Why does it say 1st Century Fox? Because it's the 1st century of the year. No, it's not supposed to say 1st Century Fox. It's 20th Century Fox. Cut. Look, I know it says 20th Century Fox, but the problem is it needs to be live action, not animated. Oh, okay. Cut. Why does it say 3rd Century Layla? Because I like 3rd Century Layla. No, it's not supposed to say 3rd Century Layla. It's supposed to say 20th Century Fox. Okay. why does it say Disney Fox Entertainment? Because Disney's the best. Forget that. It's supposed to be 20th Century Fox. Okay. Don't rage me. Cut, why does it say 100th Century Fox? Because I like 100th Century Fox. If it was the 100th century, it'd be 10,000. The year 10,000. Okay? And everything would be chrome. Because it's the future. But just forget that. Just forget that. Here's your last take. Oh, already. Totally uncalled for. Thank you so much. You're welcome. Now, get out of here. Alright, okay. Jeez.